Okay, so it has been a minute since I have made a actual vlog. Most of my videos lately have all been, it's very squeaky. I got a belt or a pulley going out. Most of my videos lately have all been cinematic based, but today I'm actually not doing the shooting. We're gonna go hang out with my buddy Alex. Alex Sizemore is Run the Hills Alex on Instagram. I'm gonna show some of his pictures right here. And if you want to, you should go follow him. I'll put his information down below in the description. But yeah, you should go follow him on Instagram. He's an amazing photographer. And we're gonna go shoot some pictures of the GTO today. Mainly just for the new diffuser, which I'm gonna put the clips with me putting that on right now. Today, in this box, is something that I have been wanting and waiting for such a long time. I've wanted it literally before I ever bought any of the other things for this car. But the company that I bought it off of, is named Maverick Man Carbon. Is that focused? Hopefully that focuses. But Maverick Man is based out of California, and out of the very small aftermarket community that has built a community for the GTOs and actually offers aftermarket parts, he is one of the only people that offers like really good quality parts. And he makes hoods, he makes diffusers, he sells a bunch of other parts that he partners with other companies to like make like a mecca for GTO owners to come and get their parts from his website. So I got in contact with him probably about a year and a half ago, and I really wanted one of his carbon diffusers. But he told me that since he is, I'm pretty sure he's a one-man show, or if not, he has such a low amount of staff that the stuff that he does, it takes forever for him to make and ship out. So he told me that it would be at least 18 months before he can make the diffuser and get it out to me. So I'm a very, very impatient person. I didn't buy it. I did not feel like spending $500 on a diffuser and waiting like 2 years to get it. So I got lucky, and last week I had it on my mind again, and I got home from work and I decided I was going to look on their website, and they had one that was defective. So he was making it, and I'm not sure if it has a crack in it somewhere or it has like a little bitty scratch, but he thought it was too defective to send it out to another customer. So he put it on his website for a discounted rate, and I'm the one that scooped it up. This was completely wrapped in plastic and bubble wrap and stuff, but I've already taken it apart because I wanted to see it. I'll set it on the back of the car ever so gently. But it does have such a pretty carbon weave. It's a really good quality part. Today we're going to install it. So let's try to figure out how to take this off. By the looks of this, it should only be these clips on the top that hold it into the bumper, and then on the underside or the back side of them, there's these little tabs. When I touch you, it feels so innately. You feel like a friend of ages. Fill me up in all the right places. Metamorphosize me through all the stages. I can see you blossom. Oh, it's so sick. Spreading your petals and catching the rain. That is so sick. That looks really good. I got both of the screws on both sides holding it in, and the 3 tabs are like in the bumper, but now I just got to go through under the bottom and put those 4 clips in. And it's done. Super easy install, and it makes a world of difference. It looks so good. Yeah, I got a new Maverick Man carbon fiber diffuser for the GTO. I actually got really lucky on it. I was able to score a defective one, but I could not find anything wrong with it. It's honestly in perfect condition. Like there's minor scratches and stuff on it, but like that could have happened from shipping. I don't know. But he makes great products, and last week he actually reposted my car. So today I told him we were gonna go out and I was gonna get some really professional pictures of it, and that's what we're gonna go do. So yeah, let's go pick up Alex. Okay, made it to the car wash. I'm not using the brush. I'm not going to. So I brought my own shit, but I have not been to a car wash in forever, so I still have to pay to use the water to fill up my bucket, but I'm not gonna use the brush, just the water. But we're just gonna get some car wash pictures here, and then I think Dylan and Trevor are gonna meet up with us, and we're gonna go to a spot and get some photos, maybe some rollers, but yeah.
I'll be your ruse, I'll suck up all of your pain. Long as I am with you, you never have to feel afraid. Look into my eyes, girl, I wanna be your mirror, reflect your light, girl, shine right back at you. Honey, you mesmerize, just in the way you move. Honey, you inspire me, yeah, you help me get my groove. When we are together, I wish I could slow down time.
Say something funny. Come on, do something funny.
I'm fucking that guy in the videos now.
I need
Come on, do
content.
something funny. Say something funny.
I need content. I gotta reach 10 minutes, Trevor.
I don't want to be known as that guy.
Just fall back.
The comedy guy.
Just fall back, Trevor.
I'd make if I landed in that mud.
Yeah, that's the noise that's gonna make.
And you go.
Yep. And I would go, and I'd just come flying back up here on the bridge.
Still, it just makes me think of the person with the Dairy Queen.
Oh, no, I was thinking of the dude with the hot dog.
Okay?
Watch this.
I'm just saying.
I was thinking of the Dairy Queen spoon.
Oh, make sure you put that back on movie mode and it's not on manual.
It is.
Very cool. I've done that so much.
This is actually the most water I've seen in this in a while.
I know, it's usually really dry.
Yeah.
This is a pretty cool spot though. I haven't been here in forever. I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen right now. I don't know what that was. I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen right now. But I came to this spot and took pictures when I first got the car. And I haven't been here in probably, honestly, 2.5 years, probably when the car was stock. But this is pretty cool.
It's a chicane.
Test your driving force.
Sorry.
Get some single shots of him, then I'll move you back and get some single shots of you.
Okay.
That way it's in the middle. Alright, that's good.
Did you say I'm having a stroke?
Yeah. I couldn't think of what to do. I forgot to take it out of gear. I forgot to put my foot on the clutch.
It's an automatic.
Found me in a field of flowers. Yeah, I was tripping on daisies. Girl, I can feel your power. Never cease to amaze me. Yeah. Saw you within, now I see you without. Without a doubt, you were the rain after a drought. Let me bounce back, like I'm on the right track. Put your fingers on my back. Baby, I like that. Yeah, baby, I like that.
None of this water's deep enough to jump off this bridge.
I mean, you can fall off this bridge and be fine.
Yeah.
My friend pushed me off of it.
That's not you falling. That's you getting shoved off.
That wasn't even if your friend jumps off a bridge, it's if your friend pushes you off a bridge.
Are you gonna go too? Yeah, he pushed me.
Damn, son, this brakes are fast.
Don't touch my nipple. I thought you'd get my shirt. I don't give a heck.
Never mind. Oh my god.
It's a lovely day for a cruise.
The things we do for fucking rollers.
Yeah.
It's always with Alex. When we're doing rollers, we're always in the van or another vehicle.
Yeah.
But Alex always lays down or does something stupid. It's so funny. He has no room at all.
No,
Oh
he's in the
my
back
God.
of an 8.6. Like
Tire in the trunk. There's a whole ass wheel in the trunk.
a whole spare. I mean, stock wheel
Yeah.
with regular size tire and everything. Like
Yeah.
just and boards in a bucket.
Fucking 86 truck, and we're doing rollers out of it. Alex is such a chill dude, though.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I bet.
Is it loud when I'm going down the hill?
He wanted you to say yes.
It's hurting my ears when I'm droning.
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with
How
that.
fucking was their car this low? I can't even get out.
You should have seen him bouncing in the back. Like he was taking pictures, but his
Bro, I
legs
hit
were
my
like.
head up here on this.
We laughed so hard. Made it back home. I know it was a short, little, stupid vlog, but it was just of us hanging out. I'm really trying to get back into the feel of absolutely filming everything, no matter what it is. I hope you enjoyed tonight's video. I had such a joy hanging out with Alex tonight. I haven't hung out with him in forever. It's literally been since March, since all of this COVID stuff happened, and we went and we filmed the Riverside video. And if you haven't seen that already, here is the button for that, and you should go watch that, because I put a lot of work into that video, and it's still one of my favorites. But I haven't hung out with Alex since then, and it was good to go shoot with him because I know that he's progressed so much since the last time he's shot my car. I'm excited to see the photos. I'll actually put some of them right here. runthehills.alex. That's his Instagram. Go check him out. He does really, really good quality work. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it so much. Thank you.
Wish I could hold you forever.